Okay, so let's look at surds. Let's just start with a few simple rules. So root A times root B makes root AB. So which means if you've got root 4 times root 4, root 16 equals 4. Okay, so then root A over root B equals root of A over B. So if you got, I don't know, root 8 over root 2 makes root 4, so 2. Okay, then the important thing here is root A plus root B does not equal root A plus B, because that's an easy mistake to make, especially if you're doing something like Pythagoras' theorem, but it's just not true. Okay, sometimes you need to rationalise the denominator, so do this times by the denominator, so root 3 in this case, top and bottom. So root 3 times root 3 will make 9, and 4 times root 3 is just 4 root 3. Because we tend to write it with the root, the surd even on the top as part of the numerator. Okay, so now if we go for a more difficult one here, to rationalise this denominator, we'll have to times by the 3 minus root 8 as part of the difference of two squares rule, and then to times the top by the same as well to make sure we do not change the fraction's value at all. So the difference of two squares means that a plus b times a minus b makes a squared minus b squared. And if we times root 2 by 3 root 2 minus root 2 times root a is used, the other rule, so root 16. And then we can start cancelling this down. So root 8 squared is just 8, and 3 squared is 9, so 9 minus 1 is 8, and that's not what it is, but 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, on the top then, root 16 is just 4, so 3 root 2 minus 4, don't need it to be over 1, which means that's our answer, and that's all we need to know.